Welcome to the Mega Photoshop Tutorials. In this tutorial, I will explain how to replace a sky in a photo in a few seconds in Photoshop. Attribution and link of image are located in my video description. Remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Enjoy watching. Let's get started. The first step is to open a photo that contains sky. Go to Edit, Sky Replacement. You'll find a list with several examples of sky images. You just have to choose the shape of the sky and adjust the settings if you want. Here are some results. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful.